right, so I'm using up 8 paints here that I don't want to mix any more of. I just want to use up what I have as much as possible. So the colors I'm working with are Deep Turquoise by Liquitex Heavy Bodied Paints, Candy Apple, 24K Gold by DecoArt Extreme Sheen. I have Pearl Turquoise by Arteza. What else do I have? I'm pretty sure it's Pearl Turquoise. Yeah, Pearl Turquoise. I have Prussian Green by Arteza. I have Anthraquinone Blue by Golden. There's a little bit of metallic turquoise, which looks like a metallic green by Art Minds. And then I have Aqua Flash by Color Shift. I have my white paint also, which is Artist Loft Flow White Acrylics. And we're gonna get going here. And then I have to go to work. How boring, huh? All right. I have my cups underneath. I've sprayed my canvas. Sounds like a drum. And we're gonna start layering up a cup and go from there. If I can just find my cups. There they are. I was not prepared. All right. So I'm going to start with a little bit of white. And we're gonna do the Aqua Flash, Anthraquinone Blue, $24K Gold, I'm going to do a little white on top of that. Candy Apple, Deep Turquoise, I'm going to do Arteza's Pearl Turquoise. It's a lovely color. And Anthraquinone Blue, Aqua Flash, and I'm going to come in with the Prussian Green, which I absolutely love by Arteza. There are a few colors that I love by Arteza. Well, there's many colors that I love, but in particular is the Prussian Green, which I just love. Now, one thing about green is, and it's just about any green, it can take over a painting. So it's somewhat important to realize that you don't have to use as much green as you would think. This is a very bluey green painting. I'm putting together here. With lots of layers. Layers that are on the smaller side. So I'm gonna have some paint left over, which is okay. That's what we're gonna do there. We're just gonna leave that be. I have a little bit of leftover paint here, so if I have to touch up areas or do a small pour over an area, I can do that. All right, I have my puddle. And I'm gonna pour. And breathe. All right. So pretty. This over a little bit. So my counter is not plain the level field. And this side's a little bit lower than this side. And, you know, so the paint sometimes goes that way. All right, so what I'm gonna do is bring you guys down and you can take a look at it and we'll be right back. All right guys, here we go. Here is the puddle. Look at all those details in there. I can't wait to stretch this one out. All right, let's get moving. Okay. So in looking at this, the wings of whatnot are going this way. So I'm thinking I want to rotate the whole canvas to go this way because I work this way. And I want to try to preserve those wings, but I'm not sure how that's gonna turn out. One can try. Now what I'm gonna do is spread out this white. All right, that'll be enough for now. Let's give it another torch. Let's see what happens. Get it back to the center. I didn't have it at the center very well there. Now we're gonna come over here. I'm gonna give it one more torch before I stretch this way, just in case. I'm gonna go back over to this corner. Come to the middle. I'm gonna wait a minute. Gonna go over there. Over the edge. And I'm gonna wait a minute. I don't want to stretch it too fast because I'm trying to preserve those wings. But I still have to get paint off of the canvas. So that right now is a slight concern, as the more you stretch, the more the composition moves. So we're gonna come over to this corner. Now we're gonna come on down this way. I am really Really liking it, and I think I'm gonna keep it just like that. There's some beautiful bits to this one, and the colors are gorgeous. That anthraquinone blue is my one of my favorites, like almost peacockish here, but I love it just the way it is. So we're just gonna walk away and leave it alone. I'm gonna take my gloves off and bring you guys in. So we'll see you in a minute.